I start? What am I saying?
Oh, okay, I start. Hi guys, this is Pink and welcome back to my channel. And this is my friend Risa.
Hello.
What are we up to today?
We are going antiquing and thrifting today to find some hot deals.
Woo! Alright guys, stay tuned. We have some great stuff in store. Stay tuned. Hit subscribe while you're waiting.
Like, subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Share.
Share. Tell a friend. Phone a friend. Don't hit that lady in the street.
Can't get her ass up.
That'll be an introduction to the video.
I got it all.
Okay guys, this is gonna be my first attempt at vlogging the whole trip and not just the furniture inside the house. So this is gonna be my attempt of vlogging our whole experience, right Risa?
Yeah.
We're gonna try to get everything. This is the uncut, raw. What else?
Unedited.
Unedited. Well, it's gonna be edited, because I'm gonna cut the part off where I fell down. So it's gonna be edited, but it's gonna be raw, real deal. Stay tuned.
Hello again. How y'all feeling? I love y'all. Your love is bright as ever. Baby, kiss me before they turn the lights out.
Okay guys, we just arrived. Where are we?
What is the name of this place?
We don't know.
The junkyard?
We're at the junkyard. We're about to go in. And I think we just found her entryway table.
We're gonna redo it. Burnish it.
And her
Burnish it.
and her chairs. We got her chairs here as well. Ooh, I like this pipe. What are we gonna do with this?
We put several flowers in there, kids.
Kids are flowers. Look at those candle holders. What do you see?
Those candle holders?
Aren't they gorgeous? Look at the tables. We see some nice stuff, guys. You can't decide. Risa, anything in particular you're hoping to find today?
I'm hoping to find an entryway table and some nice decor. But I like that.
What? Oh, the clock.
With the little shells in it.
I don't like it because it has chicken wire on the back.
That don't go with it, do it? Oh no.
And you get free, fresh
with the
farm eggs with it.
With the washboard. These lamps are nice.
Now, see, I like that clock.
Me too. I like this lamp too.
Cause you like them. Oh, the lamps are gorgeous, guys. Check out these lamps. And did she say they were 25% off?
Yeah. I don't know if that's a separate booth. Oh wow, there's so much stuff here.
How much is that? Is that thing for sale?
You don't have a price on it. Okay, I can find.
Try to scoot up to the table, it's hard.
Yeah, because you're the top.
Anyhow.
Beautiful chairs, guys.
$275, that's all.
Those are worth it.
Oh my god, I love this shit.
Look at the setup. Look at the lantern. I like the whole.
Put this in the hallway.
I like the whole setup.
Forget a table.
This need to be by your fireplace, ma'am. When I do get to your living room, baby.
Yeah. Oh, I love
This is your seating area in front of your fireplace. I love them.
Girl, this gonna be my new.
I even like that table. I know you probably ain't gonna like it for a console.
I said when I walked in, I like that one.
Because it's
I would paint it because it's I don't know if it's just dusty.
That's pretty. Because your house needs big statement. Look at this. I would paint this for you.
Oh no, I wasn't. They don't have a price on.
No comment. No comment, guys. Oh, that's they kind of cute now. Oh, they got the cast iron frying pans.
How much is it?
I ain't gonna touch them.
You're gonna have to wash it and burn it.
They're too little. Look at that chair. How much? It's worth every penny. I love it.
I love that shit.
Look behind you. Look, if you don't take that out of here right now. Yes, we can.
Massive mirror for $195.
Oh, sorry. I just hear. How much is it? If I get too excited.
$6.75.
Oh, that's too much.
Mirror $2.95. Is this on sale?
That need to be. That's too much.
Do y'all take layaway?
It's everything.
Why can't I have all of it for $6.95? If I could have all of it for $6.95.
You mean the mirror too? The mirror not included? How much is with the mirror?
$195 or so.
That your mirror is $195.
I like that.
That is.
I like it. It's
That's
a
perfect.
height,
Perfect
color.
length. Perfect color.
What Bob
Is
go?
it substantial?
Yeah. What Bob go? So we can talk business.
You might can
He wanted to offer me a deal on that table.
ask him what's the you can get for that, Bob. 'Cause I'm telling you, that's everything. How much is that one? That one's probably worth it because it's I still went by. Yes.
Look at those pedestals.
If there was two of those, I'd put those as nightstand.
Is that
It's not high enough. Is it high? Oh, they do got them. Two of them.
Lightweight.
But they don't look lightweight.
Oh yeah, because it don't look now. Because I thought I was gonna have to struggle with it. I want that table too.
And then once you put some tall, like them two, I wonder if you had two of them urns.
Oh yeah, that would be the perfect place.
Look at this mantle. Did we come over here already? Yeah. Is that the matching chair?
I like this coffee table for real. In real life, it's
It's a metal. Oh, I love that coffee table.
that's beautiful.
Y'all, look at this birdcage that they made into a light. It is so gorgeous. The camera is not doing it justice. I'm loving all the birdcage decor. Look at that. Knock down. Look how beautiful, guys. This booth is gorgeous. Their whole booth is everything. I love everything. Even how they just painted these little mirrors gray. I love that. They don't what not at me to death. Exhausted.
get rid of my kitchen table, my dining table.
Why? What you gonna get? One of them farmhouse styles? Yeah. You might well turn yours, if you willing to get rid of it, you might well paint it. That's why I said I wouldn't paint it, but you might well do yours farmhouse style. To get that chalk paint and then brush it off a little bit. Brush a little bit off for that finish. Then put your glass over it, and that'll be pretty.
Yeah. I definitely want some glass over it.
How are your legs made on your table? I don't know. Somebody under there holding it up.
Got little people. Little people at the bottom holding
up. Unless you just going for like one with certain legs and stuff like that, but if not, you could do your table like that. The only reason I wasn't gonna paint it is because I thought it's too nice, but if you're gonna get rid of it, I'll paint it.
I think I just like all that setup.
Yeah, how they set it up. You could, yours could look like that.
Like the way she had those mirrors painted with the chalk paint and the queens and the Birdcage. I love it.
So that's your aesthetic. You like the farmhouse shabby chic stuff.
But I wouldn't have to buy a whole new set to do it. I got the what is that thing, server and the buffet.
And I say you just turn your style into that. Because all that is traditional furniture, what you have now that somebody done painted and turn it into farmhouse. You know that, right? If you give away your table, all they gonna do is paint it and put it back in there and sell it to somebody else.
Because I definitely want to do Sienna stuff, the gray and the white.
That's all it is, was dark furniture that was painted.
On the bottom of her dress, I need to take them off and figure out how to get them off.
What?
She got some big old huge round things holding it, that's making the dress in her hair. But one of them broke and it rocked, so I need to take it off.
Yeah, but get someone there to fix it.
I definitely want to do hers in gray and white now that I see what you're saying.
Okay, this is the next stop on the furniture adventure. Nourishment. Y'all, I'm crying. Never mind all this McDonald's crumbs on me, but I looked down to dust the crumbs off and look. Let me turn this camera around. I bust through and it looks so shredded.
That's a style.
Good, not right here. It ain't no style.
That's a new style.
Oh my goodness, my whole butt cheek is out, y'all. Oh my God.
That's the new style.
Good. How far did it go, T?
No, it's not. Oh, it's still on the inside of your side. It's still got some thigh to come around.
No, it ain't. It's all the way out. It's to the seam. It's from seam to seam. The cedar shining seam.
Now if you twerk, they gonna see it.
Okay, well that ain't gonna.
Well, don't twerk
Girl.
on.
Lord. That I messed up her car. Oh my God. I blame this high ramp. I blame this high ramp. I had to jump up to get to her car seat. With all the rugs. Look how cute. These are some cute end tables.
It's 135.
For the bookshelf.
This is 88. This table 130.
You like that table?
I thought I did until I went. It's small, skinny.
Look at this pretty desk.
I can put that outside.
Y'all. I may be making a quick exit from this establishment. Let me show y'all what I just spotted. What I spy with my African American eyes. Wait, let me turn the camera around. Oh no, baby. What is we doing? What is we doing, baby? Are they on watermelons? I can't. What are they on? These melons? Look at them. Girl. Is these the dogs that
When you try to escape.
Girl, let's get away from this section.
Bring it back.